Hello everyone. Class 5 A Girl Called Manu Book Exercises. Comprehension. मेरे साथ साथ टिक करेंगे. After Manu's mother died, her father took her to Bithura is the answer. Second, Manu and Nana were friends. Nana was the son of Baji Rao. After the mutiny broke out in 1857, C. Bahadur Shah Zafar was crowned king at Delhi. Then let's come to the next exercise, play with words. Put a tick against the options that are not the synonyms. दो वर्ड तो सिनोनिम होंगे, एक वर्ड सिनोनिम नहीं होगा तो हम उसी को टिक करेंगे. सरेंडर, सरेंडर का यहाँ पे जो वर्ड सिनोनिम नहीं है वो है पार्टिसिपेट. चिल्ड्रन पुट अ टिक हियर, पार्टिसिपेट. लेटेस्ट, ओल्ड is not synonym here. Cunning, ignorant is not the synonym here. Privilege, ruler is not the synonym here. Ordinary, official is not a synonym here. Trustworthy, simple is not a synonym here. Unfair, open is not a synonym here. Okay, let's move to the next question. E. Fill in the blanks with the correct words from the box to complete the idioms. पहले हम मुहावरे पूरे करेंगे, फिर उन मुहावरों को उनकी मीनिंग से मैच करेंगे. टर्निंग पॉइंट, टेक ओवर, ट्रेजेडी इन स्टोर. फोर्थ, मेकिंग मैटर्स वर्स. फिफ्थ, लेट समवन डाउन. सिक्स्थ, मेक हिस्ट्री. नाउ लेट्स मैच दैम. टर्निंग पॉइंट, a very important moment. Take over, capture, कुछ चीज़ हासिल कर लेना, कैप्चर कर लेना. Tragedy in store, something very sad that is to happen. Make matters worse, spoil things further. Let someone down, disappoint someone. Make history, to do something very great and important. Okay children, let's move to the next part. Very very important question. Dictionary. Which word will you find in the dictionary to find the meanings of these idioms? ये आपको डिक्शनरी पे भी नहीं मिलने वाले, इसे बहुत ध्यान से सुनना. ये फ्रेज के मीनिंग है, ठीक है. To give away means to give something as a gift. Second, out of action, इंजर्ड या फिर नॉट इन एक्शन. थर्ड, इल फीलिंग, फीलिंग ऑफ अनहैप्पीनेस. फोर्थ, आउट ऑफ ऑर्डर, नॉट वर्किंग एट ऑल. फिफ्थ, फ्रॉम डोर टू डोर, फ्रॉम वन हाउस टू द नेक्स्ट. सिक्स्थ, एट अ लॉस, नॉट नोइंग वॉट टू डू. Seventh, break the ice, to make people relaxed, comfortable. Eighth, take a chance, to take a risk, to face challenge. Okay children, grammar fun. Now in this grammar fun we will study about the past tense. Rewrite the sentences in the past, simple past tense. Simple past tense हम यूज करेंगे. Nupur is very good. Is को चेंज करिए was में. Nupur was very good at maths. Second, Anuj and Danish did not like fast food. Did not like, do का did कर देंगे. Third, Maria swims for half an hour every day. Swims को चेंज करके करेंगे swam. SWAM, swam. Fourth, my mother speaks fluent Spanish. Speak को चेंज करेंगे spoke. SPOKE, spoke. फिफ्थ, रस्तम ड्राइव्स को चेंज करके ड्रोव करेंगे, DROVE, ड्रोव. सिक्स्थ, आई रीड द न्यूज़ पेपर व्हेन आई हैव टाइम. रीड की पास्ट टेंस भी रेड होती है, सेम लैंग्वेज रहेगी, बट हैव को चेंज करके हैड कर देंगे. ओके चिल्ड्रन, लेट्स मूव टू द नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन नाउ. नाउ विल कम टू द पास्ट कंटिन्यूस टेंस. चिल्ड्रन, पास्ट कंटिन्यूस की मैं आपको रूल बता देती हूँ. यूज ऑफ वॉज वर प्लस verb and adding ing with the verb is the rule. Okay, let's move now to the question. H. Tick the sentence that are in the past continuous tense. याद रखिएगा, verb होनी चाहिए, was were, ing होना चाहिए. ठीक है. First, A part, soldiers were refusing to use their rifle cartridges. B, soldiers are refusing to use their rifle cartridges. A is the first one is the correct because were plus ing हमारे पास आ गया. Second, I am telling you the correct answer is the B part. The reporter was interviewing all the participants in the contest. Third, the correct option is again the B part. Jack and Leela were sitting in the cafe. Fourth, my mother was writing a book on traditional Indian recipes. My mother wrote. हमने पहले बताया था was were plus ing होना चाहिए. So fourth का A part is the correct one. Okay, let's move to the next part. I, use of since or for. Since हम यूज़ करेंगे जब हमें एक स्पेसिफिक एक पर्टिकुलर टाइम दे रखा होगा, और for हम यूज़ करेंगे जब एक लंबा पीरियड दिया हुआ होगा, पर्टिकुलर टाइम नहीं होगा. Okay. Sneha can hold her breath for a whole minute. For. Gurdeep had lived in Belgium since he was a child. Since. Third, Naman had been absent from school for 3 days. Number of days is 3. Particular dates given नहीं है. Fourth, I have eaten nothing since last night. कल रात से. Particular night आपको mention है कल की रात से. Since. The children were in the swimming pool for almost half an hour. Time नहीं है. An hour is given. 4 is the answer. 6, we haven't gone out for a movie since a long time. Since is the correct one here. Okay children, let's move to the next participle. Past participle. Chart complete करेंगे मैम के साथ. Verb है, simple past tense है, then past participle है. Wear, wore. W-O-R-E again. Meet, met. M-E-E-T, meet. Eat, ate, eaten. E-A-T-E-N, eaten. Then come to the next one. Drink, drank, drunk. D-R-I-N-K, drink. D-R-A-N-K, drunk. Drank, D-R-U-N-K, drunk. Write, wrote, written. W-R-O-T-E, wrote. W-R-I-T-T-E-N, written. इसकी स्पेलिंग, नेक्स्ट की स्पेलिंग सेम होती है, बस इसका प्रोनाउंसिएशन चेंज होता है. रीड, रेड. नेक्स्ट इज रन, रैन, रन. शेक, शुक, शेकन. S-H-A-K-E, शेक. S-H-O-O-K, शुक. S-H-A-K-E-N, शेक. I hope you have understood. Thank you.